Howdy everyone. Wanted to say hi to everybody, all our friends and family, and explain our new video that we're putting out today. We show so much of our adventuring and with so much of our time touring the truck and out having fun that it looks like we don't ever work. So we wanted to put together a video that shows that we do actually work, that we can actually go out here and earn the money that gives us the opportunity to have so much fun. So this is a video about a couple of the loads, non-traditional loads. We usually haul jet engines, stuff like that. So these are some videos of a couple of our non-traditional loads, but they do show that we do actually work. So enjoy.
Normally we haul jet engines, aircraft parts. Today's a little bit of a different day. Honorable and sobering, it's a human remains cart. When our soldiers come home that fought for our freedom and lost everything, this is what they come off the aircraft in. So we've added to our little collection of non-aircraft, well, non-jet engines. And we got us a little luggage tug. Hauls the luggage carts. As you can see, bumped a dock. Who said flat pattern can't do it? So we're just getting this one chained down and continuing on with our journey. So here's another part of our adventure. This is our last pickup. We're in Dallas. Their dock was built before their building, and so the doors do not line up with their ramps really well. Delivered at the little Ontario, California airport, delivered at the Burbank little airport, and now we're making our way down to Long Beach to the pier. But this is one of the routes that, yes, our truck GPS has taken us on. Welcome to LA, people.
And they both agreed on it.
And they both agreed on it, so that's that's the way we're taken. But if you ever wondered what LA looked like downtown, this is your glimpse.
Sunset Boulevard.
Sunset. It's the sunset.
I think it's probably nicer back in the 70s.
Right?
All these guys, remember?
Right. Welcome to LA. It's just one of the underpasses where they find shelter.
Wake up, go to work.
We got trash cans back in there. That's a palatial estate right there. We actually do work. Look at, see? Getting fuel. You have to put your numbers in, your cards in, all your special information in before they'll authorize you to pump out any of their fuel here at the Pilot. Of course, that works the same for TAs and Petros and Loves and mom and pop shops. But we get a substantial discount at Pilot, so that's one of the ones that we typically choose first. One of the other things we take the opportunity to do when we stop, always stop, is checking the truck and trailer, making sure the tires are good. If we had a load on, it would be checking the load straps or chains, whatever we were doing, making sure all our cargo doors of our toolboxes are closed, all our straps, everything just looks in order. Always, always, every stop. Putting the gloves up after you're done. Finished your fueling. Always the polite thing to pull forward. That way the next person in line can start their fuel while you've got room to park and run inside. Get your receipt, take care of business or whatever. Just for a couple minutes. It's a great thing. Just like that, there's another person waiting, and they'll slide up right into the spot, be able to get their fuel. We're able to pull forward because they make spots for that or spaces for that, and stop in and get a receipt.
Now you see that we do actually work, that we do have fun while we're doing it. Sometimes it's a challenge. It's not so bad though. But that kind of work provides us the opportunity to go have a lot of fun, ride the bike around, see things we want to see, and visit people that we like visiting. So, as always, like and subscribe, send us a comment, let us know what you think. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.